I went all in, I followed my passion and failed. This is not the story that most people tell you. Most people will tell you that they went all in, sold everything, they left their job, they did everything, and they succeed. Well, that's not me. You see, I didn't always want to be a photographer or a video creator. I actually went to high school to become a programmer. I studied SQL and PHP and C++ and whatnot. Then I went to uni and I studied languages. I know 6 languages, I can speak 4 of them pretty damn well. And here I am, a photographer. I take photos of prime ministers, presidents, and CBRN military exercises. Everything good and bad that happened in my life, every single person that I met in my life, they all helped shape the person that I am today. More or less 8 years ago, I started to get into photography, and in the beginning it was just a hobby. I was doing it in university, not really caring about it. I had other plans. I actually wanted to become a translator and interpreter. I was studying to be one. That did not happen. All throughout my life, I wanted to do multiple things. At first, I wanted to be a programmer. I was really good at chess at some point, and that faded away with time. I got into black metal and really extreme metal genres and subgenres. And I thought I would become a fucking rock star, and that faded. And then I went for languages, and I really love languages, and I love speaking to people, and I love learning about their culture, and I love learning their language, integrating a culture, and that faded away. You know what stuck with me though? Photography, for some reason. So I started photography around 8 years ago. I was still in uni, and it was a hobby in the beginning. I just wanted to take beautiful, bokeh-licious photos of people. And that was the fucking thing at the time. And that stuck. For some reason, that was the thing that actually stuck. You know what helped me understand that? The fact that I did multiple things and then with time they faded. That with time I didn't like them anymore. I did things that I liked, I did things that I didn't like, and then out of all of this pile of experiences and shit, photography was the thing that, I don't know, it was a constant. And I realized that even more when I decided to follow my passion, to follow my dream, to go photograph people around Europe and live off of that, and I failed. Within a month of traveling in Germany and trying to photograph as many people as I can and make a living off of their donations, because that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to take their portraits in the middle of the street with a piece of cardboard written, free portraits, accept donations. I wanted to survive off of that for however long it would take. But within a month, I almost didn't have any money left. And I was tired and I was sad. I failed. I had no money. I had no house. I was eating more or less an apple and a pretzel a day. And I was living in hostels and couch surfing on people's couches around Germany. And within a month, I came back and I was living on my friend's spare bed. But you know what the constant in all of this was? I kept taking photos. I kept thinking about photos. I kept making videos about me taking photos. I was obsessed. I still am obsessed. And that's the moment where I realized, well, this is my thing. And for however long it will go, I will fucking do it. I got lucky because people around me never told me not to do it. Like people, almost nobody told me that I wouldn't succeed or that this is not what am I supposed to do or anything like that. There's in particular a few professors that actually believed in me. There's a couple of them that actually invested in me. My first photo exhibition was done in uni, inside the university. That's because people believed in me. And it's not easy, and it will never be easy. At whatever level you get, it will become harder and harder and harder. And there will always be new challenges. But because of my experience, because I went out and photographed and made content, I actually managed to gain more experience. And that led me to win a photo competition at the European Parliament, and one of my photos was exhibited in the agora of the European Parliament, and people actually saw it. It was like huge. And then creating more content, I actually won another competition with the European Commission, and that led me to travel around Europe for an entire month creating content. And it was not easy. It was stressful as fuck and was difficult. But the constant was always there, making photos, creating stuff. just being obsessed with it. And when I say obsessed, I don't mean like you only think about that shit. Life happens. There's always things that happen in life. But the constant is always there. Like the photography and the content creation and the YouTube, it's always there. And if you leave this video with anything, let it be: make as many experiences as you can. Follow your instinct and do things that you like, do things that you don't like. You never know what you can discover. I hope this helps.